What's going on, guys? Well, with SEMA just right around the corner and Nevada passing some new automotive laws, there has been some confusion and getting the laws mixed up and how they're going to interfere with SEMA coming up in November. So I'm going to give a little quick rundown, and then I will show the actual statements from SEMA explaining all the laws. You can screenshot them, screen record this, whatever you got to do, to make sure you understand what's going on. I got these forms directly from SEMA with the breakdowns and everything. I'm just going to give you the bulletin points. You can screenshot the slides after that. So, the laws that just got into effect are the SB 80. It's a Nevada new vehicle modification law. You can still do any modifications that are carb, safe, and all that stuff. The only things that you still can't do, which you never could do for on-road vehicles, are emission stuff. So, but that is also about the Clean Air Act and the 40 SFR 1068.101B. Doing any emission stuff is still illegal no matter the laws or not that were changed. The new law, which is a lot of rumors are going around saying you can't do anything. No, you still can do superchargers, turbochargers, exhausts, as long as they have the emissions equipment still in it. So that's the difference between the SB 80 and the emissions laws that were always in place. So you can still do things. It's just explain the difference on the next slide. So let me just go through these real quick, make sure there's nothing else. But you can really do the fine print when you go through everything. But you can still modify your vehicle in Nevada. So take a screenshot, read it, learn it, stop spreading rumors. Have a good So, you screenshot, you screen record, you see the laws, you see what's going on, you read the rumors, you see how SEMA clarifies everything. So if you're on your forums or in your group chats and you see someone talking about, oh, you're not going to be modifying cars in Nevada anymore, you can literally show them the facts and how everything is going to be okay. So, thanks guys for sticking tuned and watching it. Greatly appreciate it, and catch you out there.